friends, this is B.L.Joshi, a soft skill coach and image consultant. Today we shall be discussing about the network and network marketing. Today we are in 21st century, and 21st century belongs to those who have got a great networking practices. As you know, everybody has to network. Maybe you are a businessman, you are a professional, you are a celebrity or a political leader. Networking is a must for each and every person. Let me explain you, networking is not meeting the people alone, but networking is not exchanging of visiting cards. Networking has got a huge, deep meaning into it, and that is what we are going to understand. There are three things we have to remember all the time. The first and foremost is relationship. Whenever we are expecting some business from another person, we have to have a strong bond of the relationship. Unless we have a strong relationship, don't expect a business from that another person. The second thing is trust. In a business, there has to be trust, faith, belief, credibility about your business and transactions. So if you comply with that, yes, the business will definitely come to you. And the third important thing is emotional balance. Friends, the way we operate our bank account, the same way the emotional bank account has to be operated in the networking. When we say emotional bank in networking, there are two important things. You can't afford to have a zero balance in your emotional bank account. As well, you should not have a negative balance, which may penalize you. So these are the three things we have to keep it in the mind. At times it happens that to have the relationship, to have a trust, faith, belief, and the emotional balance, we have to keep on adding certain things. And those things are, we have to give empathy to that person. We have to maintain a good relationship with that person. We have to have a great conversation with that person. And then only all these things compiled together will give you the excellent networking. Friends, at times there are three more things which will take your balance down, and you maybe have to penalize for that. First is conflict. At times when we beat each other, there are chances of the conflict. So you see that in networking you will avoid conflict. Second thing is misunderstanding. Yes, at times when we deal with the people, there could be some misunderstanding. You will have to see that you will avoid all those things. And the third important thing is business conflict. You should never come across any type of conflicts which will spoil your business. So these are the three things. What is expected by us is we will have to give a genuine compliments to the person. We will have to be genuinely interested in his growth. Don't ask, offer something, give them something, offer a help. If you are asking for a help, probably you may not get it. You will have joy of giving, and then the another person will start showering with the reference and contacts which will enhance our business. One more thing, to have all these excellent networking practices, you will have to remember two important things is, whenever you are having a dialogue, conversation, interaction with the other person, don't tell about your story, because at times we are very eager to share our own stories. Believe me, in the networking, you don't have to share your stories only. You will have to understand the story of the other person. You understand his feelings, you understand his emotion, you understand what is the hard work he has put in. And when you consider all the things, then you will have an excellent relationship. The trust and the emotional balance will always go up. And for this, you will have to maintain a personal contact. Yes, technology, we can make the best use of this, but along with the technology, you have to see that you are maintaining a personal touch with that person. And when you are putting a personal touch with that person, always remember him. For in the case of the joy and in case of unhappy incidents, you must be the first person to meet and console the feeling of that person. He should always feel that this person is not for the business alone. He is always there to help me, to assist me, to guide me. He is my friend, philosopher and guide. When we have this type of image in front of the person with whom we are dealing, you can have an excellent success in the networking. Friends, let me tell you that I had been working in a business for a long time, but whatsoever relationship I have maintained, I am extremely happy to receive in the reciprocation of the same thing, and I take this opportunity to wish you all the best for the networking. Thank you so much.